Well, let me show you the final version. The final version is this. When we click, a window opens. So we want to create a window, okay? A window just like this. It's very simple actually. Let's do here a top level, okay, is a new element, and let's say that the master of the top level is the self.window. What is the self.window? Do you remember what is this guy? Let's go up to the initializer here, and we have all these configurations, the global variables, and then we have here the top level, the self.window, that is the TK. Okay, so this is the master. The self.window is the main window of our app. Okay, very simple. So let's see what we get from this. Okay, everything is saved. Let me open the terminal and let me run. We have this. Right click, a new window opens. Okay,